Alrighty. Just based on your guys' assignments and my own experience learning this concept as well, I think it's good to have a solidified idea of the concept itself before we go into real world examples, particularly for color based meaning. So, to identify color based meaning issues, I think we need a distinction between color association and color meaning. I'm not a web designer, clearly, but for illustrative purposes, let's say that I have a page that sells entirely sustainable and recyclable products. And because of that, I decide that my web page has an entirely green color palette, since that's what we tend to associate with nature and sustainability and all that. In this case, the color is decorative and it's not indicative of any meaning, although we associate its theme with something specific, which is totally fine. So, what I mean by that is that colors can always be used to reinforce concepts, but they should never be used alone to convey meaning. In here, if I took away all the color in this page, you would not lose any significant information. But now, let's say that I have a page that sells some products that are sustainable and recyclable and some that aren't. And for that, I add a green outline for all the sustainable products and a red outline for all that are not sustainable. If you were colorblind or had low vision, or even if you just had this page printed on a black and white sheet of paper, you would no longer be able to distinguish the products because color alone had that meaning. And that's an issue. So, a way to fix that would be to have a non color alternative. So, for example, to indicate with text in a tag that a product is sustainable, or by using icons like this. That way, you could tell even without color which is which. Some other quick and common examples could be with calendars or seats available, because often you'll have green indicating that something is available and red indicating that something isn't, but those should again be reinforces along with text or texture or any other means of distinction. It's the same thing for a granary, red or green outline in an input field that indicates if the input is accepted or not. There always needs to be some other means to convey the information, again, like a text or an icon. So, for color based meaning, you want to be asking yourself, is this decorative? Would I still be receiving all the necessary information if this entire thing was black and white? And then, if the answer is no, all you need is that non color alternative. Hope this helps.